So yan, February 5, day 4 of uploading every day until me and my homies link up. Very proud today. Even though hindi ako nag-training, wala tang pumunta. And so kaya pumunta ako Greenville at okay, too low na daw yung battery for flashlight. So yan, Greenville. Naglaro kami kaganina sa Thais. But before that, naglaro kami kaganina sa Thais. Tapos si Josiah, shoutout sa iyo kung pinapanood to Josiah. Very proud of you, bro. Kasi may jump shot na siya. Fade away, jump shot. Body bigaying rebounds, he's him. Gumagaling na talaga siya, boy. Nga, okay. Nag-record pa. And yun, something told me na huwag muna pumunta sa gym, oval, I don't know. Bakit ganon? Yeah, pauwi na. Yun lang nangyari. Bukas may attendan tayong pagkakalam ko binyag. Something basta. Proxy ako kay Kuya Boyert. Yeah.